In early morning we arrived to the collective farm J.F. Tako in village Tatce in central Bohemia. One part of this collective farm is also cow house, where they keep about 200 dairy cows. The parlour needs for its operation 1500 liters of domestic hot water per day. This water is now heated by automatic boiler Werner. Thanks to this change, the farm saves more than 300,000 Czech crowns per year. The collective farm owns 3 automatic boilers Werner with power of 25 kilowatts. Other 2 automatic boilers Werner has the owner of the farm and his son for heating of their family houses. Main advantages of this automatic boiler is burning of cost-effective agricultural products such as cereals, alternative pellets from energetic plants, straw and other fuels. High comfort and automatic operation is ensured by highly intelligent control board. The farm uses as fuel mainly waste from grain cleaning. Here you can see burning of mentioned fuel without any problems. Thanks to unique movable grate, it is possible to burn nearly 60 types of fuel in these automatic boilers. Now we can see hall where the grain cleaner is situated. According to owner's words, he gave chaff to gamekeepers for feeding of animals. Now they are not interested anymore. Therefore the owner has decided to use chaff as a fuel for automatic boiler Werner. Thereby he saves a considerable amount of money for heating of domestic hot water and heating. Here we can see other buildings of the farm that are heated by automatic boilers Werner. This is the automatic boiler which heats the building with kitchen, dining room and part of administration. Boiler is connected with combined heater and this ensures heating of domestic hot water in the heating season. The whole area of collective farm J.F. Tako is heated by waste from grain. This boiler is for heating of dressing rooms and offices. Here we can see family house that is heated by the fourth automatic boiler Werner. This boiler comfortably heats the whole family house. During heating season, the boiler heats also domestic hot water in the combined heater. Thanks to wide and smooth power control, it is not necessary to combine the boiler with storage tank. The fifth boiler heats a family house of the owner of collective farm. For more information, please visit our websites www.werner.cz.